one word.
OT is awesome.
Kay Myra, describe mo nga po yung OT.
Occupational therapy, mahirap siya pero worth it. Dapat.
Ate Chloe, what is OT?
OT is wonderful.
Ate April, what is OT for you?
OT brings back the ability. Yung OT master, tinutulungan maging functional ulit yung mga tao, yung mga patient.
Okay, thank you. Ano yung OT para sa'yo?
Ang OT for me ay parang ma-develop yung skills ng mga for ABS.
Thank you po. Thank you, ate. Ronel, para sa'yo, anong OT?
OT? Para sa akin, ang OT ay parang mekaniko.
Bakit?
May liwanag yung bunga.
What is OT, Mayora? Oh, that's fantastic! What is OT? What is OT for you?
OT is unity!
Thank you.